Hello, everyone. My name is Ashish Rangnekar. I am the CEO and co-founder of BenchPrep. I am very, very excited to be sharing this update with you all as part of the ASU GSV Growth Company update. This is quite some time to be in the education technology sector. We are seeing a massive digital transformation happening right in front of our eyes. Pre-COVID, less than 3% of global education spend was on technology. In few years, we're going to look back at this number and laugh at it. The pace of transition to digital in the education space is going to be very fast, and we have seen nothing yet. I feel we are in the first inning of a 9-inning game. And at BenchPrep, we have made it our vision to elevate everyone's potential through education and training. Fundamentally, we believe that learning is a global and lifelong pursuit. We are living in a world where everyone is a learner and every company is a learning organization. And within that context, we are focused on the professional training market, serving enterprise training companies and associations. And we are focused on redefining this entire space by powering the digital transformation of professional learning. And we are doing that through our learning platform that enables learning organizations to completely transform their product offerings. And again, by learning organizations, I mean associations, training companies, and enterprise, all of who are serving an external stakeholder. It's very clear that professional learning is going through a tectonic shift, and we feel it's driven by three macro trends. First is the modern professional. Modern professional is just different. They are driving this consumerization of professional learning. Learning experiences designed in the pre-cloud, pre-smartphone world just don't work today. Today, the learning experience has to match the likes of Netflix, not a textbook. Second, lifelong unbundled learning is finally an absolute economic reality. It's not just a buzzword anymore. Amazon is spending more than $1 billion on upskilling and reskilling their employees. AT&T is spending billions of dollars. Right? There is so much lifelong learning happening beyond the confines of the traditional higher ed or the degree programs. And all of this lifelong learning is getting unbundled and being consumed and delivered at a micro level. The missing piece here is that verification. Labor marketplace values verified credential, and the winning play here is going to be a platform that can deliver this lifelong unbundled learning that is that can enable learners to work towards this verification. Finally, we are entering the era of learning becoming digital first, digital all, digital only. There's a well understood 70-20-10 model where 70% of the learning happens on the job, 20% is peer-to-peer, 10% is formal. Today, professional learning is focused on that 10%, and digital is one of the many channels. Over the next few years, we're going to see digital being the primary channel for delivering professional learning and training. And this transformation is already happening. We expect $77 billion of professional learning spend to transition to digital over the next few years. And as this transition happens, it's clear that the professional learning organizations are struggling to deliver these modern learning experiences. They're still shipping books and ebooks. They're still focused on in-person 3-day training workshops. They're still using old technology, and it's showing up in multiple ways. And it's not just few of these organizations. I mean, in US and Canada, there are 66,000 organizations that need help to thrive in this new digital world order. And that's why we have made it our mission to enable every single one of these 150,000 organizations to become great learning organization. And we are doing that by building this platform that's going to power this digital transformation. And it focuses on three things. It enables these learning organizations to deliver best in class experience across all use cases: formal, social, and experiential. Second, it delivers a fully integrated technology solution, business in a box. Just an LMS, just a content management system, just a micro learning tool is not going to solve it. So we have taken a much broader approach, and we are enabling revenue growth for these organizations with software, content, data, and managed services. And last but not the least, it's an open platform. So we are enabling differentiation and allowing these learning organizations to drive outcomes by enabling them to build their own content, applications, and data on top of our infrastructure. And it's because of this that today world's leading organizations use BenchPrep. Literally vertical by vertical, we have marquee customers. You think of technology, Computer Technology Industry Association, Aruba Networks, HP Enterprises use BenchPrep. Think of finance, CFA Institute uses BenchPrep. Healthcare, Association of American Medical Colleges, American Board of Emergency Medicine. Huron Consulting is using our platform to train all of their healthcare customers. Big publishers like McGraw-Hill, training companies like Richardson Sales Training, and the list goes on and on. On the product front, we have invested a lot of money and effort to innovate on multiple fronts. And it's showing up first and foremost with the level of engagement we are seeing from learners and customers, but also with some industry awards and analyst mentions. When it comes to the revenue model, our pricing is designed to enable our customers grow their learning program. And to support that, we use a subscription-based pricing that grows with number of users. We typically sign long-term contracts. These are average of 3 years partnership kind of models. And all of these contracts have provisions for overages. And last but not the least, we provide a variety of managed services. These learning organizations are going through their first digital transformation cycle, and they need help on implementation, instructional design, and other services, which helps them get to market quicker and helps us to get a sticky customer. In terms of progress, we raised our last round of funding roughly 18 months ago now, and have made tremendous progress since then. From a committed ARR perspective, we have grown 84%. On number of total customers, we have grown 122%. But the story is this new logo production that we are seeing, which has quadrupled in the last 2 years. And it's not just about the number of customers or the revenue, it's the type of customers. We have signed some marquee customers from CDW to ACCA, which is a leading association based out of UK that serves roughly 700,000 learners every year, to like exciting growth technology companies like Catalytic. A lot of this is driven or is because of the leadership team that I am fortunate enough to have. We have a diverse, committed, and engaged leadership team. These are the leaders that in their previous lives have led companies from 20 million to going public multiple times. And now they are all together and focused on doing it again here at BenchPrep. Our winning aspiration is to power the digital transformation of professional learning. I feel we have this unique once in a lifetime opportunity to be able to drive lasting impact, and we are going all in. At BenchPrep, we are committed to elevating everyone's potential in this new future. Thank you. We can get all the help to truly create this future of learning. In terms of partnerships, in terms of collaboration, if you have any ideas how we can work together, please reach out to myself or my co-founder Ujjwal. Our emails are right here. Thank you.